How's it going, y'all? So I was able to get home today to take lunch. Some leftover pizza. Said always trying to preserve that cash. But I'm probably going to treat myself out sometime this weekend for a meal somewhere in town, maybe. Because I'm doing pretty good with things. So this is what I changed. Like I said, 2 harbors. I highlighted it. I sold this position. It says at 1606 here, but I actually sold that position at $16.15. So I probably got about 80 or more on that, cashing out of it. And I wanted to cash out what I got here so I could swing trade with it. That was my goal. 2 Harbors, great company, great stock, but I was in it for the 19% dividend yield, and I held this for several months. And I think this pays quarterly. It is not monthly. So I actually took the $80, we'll just say $80 gain from today. I've taken maybe 2 or 3 dividend payouts. So I've probably made about 150, 160 off of that company. But as I said, I was in it for the dividend yield, which is a hit or miss for some people. Some people aren't real big fans of dividend yields. They're more for company growth. And I get into other companies for company growth, and then I get into some companies for dividend yield. But anyway, like I was saying in my previous video, I believe that it would get to a position where I could exit it positive and get, the payouts that I got while I held it. And it did. It hit, plus 80 today. So I sold that position. That way I can build other positions. And here, these are the ones that I have put as my swing trade. So they're all down today too, which for me, I like when things are down because it allows me to build a big position, especially in a company that I believe will go back up and I can make money on it. So they're all down. I added to majority of those. Some of them I couldn't, again, because when it let me, it was below $3, and I did not have a settled amount. That $3 thing kind of does it. But because I did sell out of 2 harbors, it did let me add a little bit of that to buy the dips on my swing trades, because that money was already been in the account so long. What else? OPK, that's down 1.5 cents, so I didn't really increase that at all. Another thing I want to show you on this though is like here, so 2 harbors. So I exited. It's really high for the 1 day, even though this wasn't a swing trade for me. It was the dividend one, But for the month, it's high. For the 6 month, it's starting to climb back up. You look at the year, starting to climb back up. So I was like, yep, that's a good position for me to exit. Put that money towards something else. So by also exiting on that, I actually increased my swing trade money from the 6,100 that I showed last video now to around 81 plus that. So I would say $8,500 is what I have available to swing trade with. And I've been wanting to build that up so that way I can make money on my swing trades. But this is a cool one. MFA, I'm up 622. I'm not going to sell MFA. Again, I'm in it for, a dividend yield. But that's cool to see it, I got paid $622 as of today to get paid by that company. I love it. It's great. So let me go. Oh, look at Amazon too. Look, Amazon's coming up. Cool. But yeah, let me show you what I changed here. So here we are. Here is what I changed from what you've seen in the last one to now. So the highlighted stuff here, it highlights it for me what I changed. You'll notice on this one that 2 harbors is gone because I sold it. I added more position, I believe $1,000 to BBD because it let me. I bought into BSBR at 1,000. I bought to iTub. I don't know if I already had iTub or maybe I just bought into it today. Again, I took up 1,000 there, 1,000 here, so I'm at 1,800 for BRFS, which I still have. I meant to write this or put this on here, but I didn't. So I still have $1,081 cash in the account that I can buy more stocks with. I chose not to dump it into other stuff just in case something goes down again. I have another $1,000 that I can buy more down on. But these are my swing trades as of right now. Making sure. I still got OPK down there at the bottom, sitting at $200. But it really didn't make any kind of change today, like a cent and a half. I don't really do much with that. These other ones, however, you see there, it took that 35 dip. It took that 30-cent dip. Here's another 18-cent dip. BRFS, again, I would have dropped another 1,000 of that probably, or 500 if it would have let me, but I couldn't because it's under $3. And, yeah, so I can't because, my money hasn't settled out yet. At least the deposit that I made the other day. So, yep, I increased these positions. I'm happy about it because, like I said, I'll go over the companies again real quick with you, so that way you can be like why I'm building those up. And that's like 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5,000. You add that 8. That's like 58. So it's like 6 something. Yeah, that's looking really good. And I still have 1,000 sitting on the side. Pretty happy about that. I'm glad I'm getting opportunities to take advantage of these positions here. So BBD, I'll pull this up. So let me see here. BBD, I didn't get to add to BRFS, but we just go BBD, BSBR, and ITUB. That's what I'll show you. So that way you can see what I was doing here. So BBD dropped, like, that's crazy. Like, I mean, and again, so it's like the employees, 88,000. I love it. $28 billion. It pays a 4.38% dividend yield. That's a nice PE ratio. This is just so much. Like, I'm excited about this one. So I'm definitely going to wait till it gets back up into this range before I sell, which is almost a complete dollar per share. And I am looking at 942 shares. That's going to be great when I take the profits on that. I'm so happy about this one. But yeah, see, like that's why I'm buying that one. It's just great. Let's see, BSBR. So again, 20 billion, great, 8.23 dividend. 51,000 employees. That's pretty sweet there. The 5-day is low. Like the month, it did that to me last time. See if it'll let me pull it up. Like, look at the month. Just that huge drop. I mean, it'll probably come back to 560, even if it hits 6. There's so much there. It's great. I mean, these are just, in my opinion, just screaming money to be made. Money to be made. I'm definitely going to hit that 20K mark on this account probably by the end of next week. I'm off tomorrow from work, so that's awesome. I'm definitely going to be on the markets because they are open, and I'll see what I can do. Most of these I can't actually cash stuff out on, which I won't anyway because I'm not going to go probably to the exit point that I want. But I'll be able to at least see what's going on with it, and if I, see some drops, and right here like ITUB and BSBR, I'll definitely buy into those further because I'm not at the $3 mark, so therefore I can use the 1,000 that I have to buy into it. I have to answer that phone call here in a minute, and so I'm going to show you ITUB real quick. And again, ITUB, 100,000 and then 600 employees, 47 billion. Look at that, dividend yield. I just took these just huge drop. There's so much potential here. I'm going to shorten the video out because I definitely have to answer that call, but Yeah, this is great opportunity. I'm gonna post this. I'm gonna get it posted today, November 10th. So you still have time to jump on it if anybody wants to. I think there's great opportunity here, and then I will show you these gains when they do come because they will. Just like to Harbor, I knew it would get me a good exit point, and I took it, and I believe this will give me a good exit point too. So yeah, keep hustling and stay focused because there's great opportunities right now. Catch y'all on the next one.